Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Vestly app works and if it is worth using. Vestly is an investment app designed to help users learn about investing while giving them the opportunity to earn rewards. It combines educational content with real investment options in stocks and ETFs. The app aims to simplify investing for beginners by offering easy-to-understand lessons, quizzes, and a rewards program that encourages consistent learning and investing habits. One of Vestly's main strengths is its focus on financial education paired with practical investing. Users can start with small amounts, learn through interactive modules, and receive points redeemable for cash or prizes. The app supports fractional investing, making it accessible for users with limited funds. However, Vestly is relatively new and may have limited investment options compared to more established apps. Some users report occasional bugs and performance issues. The reward system, while motivating, may not appeal to all investors. Additionally, the app's educational focus means it may not suit advanced investors looking for detailed market analysis. In summary, Vestly is worth it for beginners who want to learn investing with the incentive of rewards. More experienced investors might find it lacking in advanced features and variety. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.